Hello. Hi everyone. It's a girl Empress on the GistfoxTalkShow. Today we'll be looking at pineapple and we'll try to establish some facts about pineapple. We'll try to look at the health benefits of pineapple and try as much as possible to debunk some misconceptions that we have heard about pineapples. So come with me. Alright, here we are. This is my pineapple. It's a very common fruit. We can get it anywhere. We can even plant it. So this is it. I'm just going to carefully wash it. And then after that, I'll dice it and we're going to have a test of it. So this is me washing my pineapple. Alright, so I am done with washing. Okay. Okay, so I am done with cutting. This is the section we're going to use today. So I'm going to carefully transfer it into this bowl and keep it refrigerated. It's actually really nice when you refrigerate it. So this is me doing the transfer. Okay, it's not that much, but it's okay. So I'm just going to go put it in the fridge now. Okay. Okay, so we'll just give it some time. Yeah. Stay with me. Alright, so these are the peels. This is what I got from peeling it. So in pineapple, nothing is actually a waste. So for this peel, I'm gonna keep it. I add it to my soup. When I want to make my soup, you actually add it. You can add it, when you're doing the cooking, you can add it to water and boil. It adds taste to the soup. Alright, so while we are waiting for our pineapple in the refrigerator, let's go check out a few health benefits of pineapple. Come with me. Actually, pineapples are very rich in vitamin C, and we know the wonders that vitamin C does to the body. It helps, to boost the immune system. It helps your immune system to fight diseases. Helps your wounds to heal. And pineapples are actually really rich in vitamin C. So if you want to have a healthy immune system, consider adding pineapples to your diet. It's also actually good for the skin. It helps your skin, it helps your wounds to heal quickly, and it also helps to fight diseases in the body. And so pineapples actually aid digestion. It contains this mix of enzymes called bromelain. And studies have shown that these enzymes can reduce inflammation and nasal swelling, as well as aid in the healing of wounds and burns. And sometimes pineapples can be used to treat digestive disorders. And studies have also shown that this bromelain in pineapple may help to reduce the effects of diarrhea. Another very important health benefit of pineapple is the bone health. Pineapple has manganese in it, and it promotes healthy bones. And it also has trace of calcium, mineral, manganese. These elements are essential for maintaining strong bones. And it is said that a single cup of pineapple contains about 76% of the recommended daily value of manganese. This may help, to stave off osteoporosis and improve overall bone and mineral density in the body. So if you're looking to have healthy bones, if you're looking to help yourself with the pain of arthritis, you can add pineapple to your meals. Pineapples is also packed with disease-fighting antioxidants, specifically flavonoids, phenolics, and vitamin C. We've talked about vitamin C, and they help to fight inflammation and free radicals in the body. So pineapples also support heart health and protects the eyes. Alright, looking at all these benefits, you will agree with me that pineapple should be one of the important components of our meal. Let's go check out the pineapple we left in the refrigerator, and we'll be back to say more on it. Stay with us. So we are back, and this is our refrigerated pineapple. So I'm gonna have a test Let's see how it goes. You will agree with me that pineapples are really, really delicious. And it's also satisfying. Please let me take one more. Alright, pineapples are actually very, very delicious. Not just about the health benefits, it's actually, tasty to the taste buds. So it is nice, it is enjoyable when you're eating it. There is also a few things I want to add to what we have already, said earlier. Alright, we have said a lot about pineapples today. So I'm going to read out a few misconceptions about consuming pineapples. So the first one here says pineapples can induce labor or cause contractions. That is a myth. So let's see what it is in reality. There is no scientific evidence to support this claim. The enzyme bromelain is found mostly in the core of the pineapple. The small amounts in the fruits, that's in the flesh of the fruit, are insufficient to affect uterine contractions. So that's a misconception. Alright, so number 2, a myth now. Number 2 says eating pineapples can lead to miscarriage or abortion. And reality says this is untrue. Eating pineapples do not lead to miscarriage or abortions. But there are a few potential risks, basically for pregnant women. So let's look at the potential risk of consuming pineapples. Right, the first one is heartburn. Pineapples are highly acidic. It has high acid content. So this can actually worsen heartburn for pregnant women. We know that heartburn is a common discomfort for pregnant women. So what pineapple does, since it has a high acid content, it can actually worsen that. Second is digestive issues. Consuming pineapples in high quantity may lead to diarrhea or an upset stomach. And third is blood sugar. Pineapple is a high sugar fruit. It's really, really sweet. And so it can actually have an impact in blood sugar, which is particularly important for women with gestational diabetes. You wouldn't want your blood sugar to go higher and higher again. So what are the recommendations? I'm going to read out a few recommendations here while consuming pineapples. Alright, so first is eat in moderation. Moderation is the watchword here. Eat in moderation. While pineapples are safe, you have to limit your intake to avoid a potential side effect like the heartburn we mentioned and the digestive upset. And secondly, rinse it, make it clean and consume it. Ensure that it is clean. Third, you have to stay hydrated. Everybody needs water. Just stay hydrated. That's for your overall health, whether during pregnancy or not. And then lastly, consult a doctor. If you have specific health conditions, like I said, gestational diabetes, you can actually, talk to your healthcare provider, for personalized dietary advice. Your healthcare provider can actually advise you on what to take and what not to take during your pregnancy. All right. The nutrient facts of pineapple. So for 1 cup serving of raw pineapple, this is what you get from it. 83 calories, 1 gram of protein, 0 gram total fat, 26 grams carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, and 16 grams sugar. Okay, so the takeaway for today. Pineapple is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and manganese. This makes pineapple very beneficial when you add it to your diet. Now, this tropical fruit can help support your immune system. It also improves digestion, and it even assists in weight management, because of its low calorie content. So thank you so much for staying with us through the health benefits of pineapple. I advise that you add pineapples to your diet. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment for us. This is the GistfoxTalkShow. Until we see you on another episode, I am your girl, Empress. So let me go back to enjoying my delicious pineapples. Bye.